these things, that advanced parts, so license term, selection point, bookmarks, KPI and tooltip, these things going to cover today, so that we can explain everything in detail. So let's begin with the uh, first session, so Power BI services, publish report and other features too. Then after we'll move to the selection panel, bookmarks, KPI card, tooltip, and how to integrate the Python and R, and designing to report requirement gathering and other things too. So if you are watching my channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's continue with the, at least you can like the video, there is no harm for it, guys. So let's continue with it. So the session one, so how do I deal with the Power BI services, since it doesn't go in the last session. Okay, so we need to go to the app.powerbi.com first, and if you haven't visited it, haven't logged in it, please go to the website, okay, app.powerbi.com, register with your organization email ID, and you will get a 60 days free trial. Once the trial is over, their account changes to the free, and you can consume your report without paying any cost consumption. There is no charge for it. Next part, when you logged in, so you will be able to see this kind of screen, and there are many changes has been happened, guys. You must explore everything. Say this, here is the option new item, save like this, the worksheet that you are using. Also you can see new report option appear. Then we have the here simplify, explain. So these are features we have that you can modify and use it, since recently change has been made by the Power BI. Talk about the workspace. So first screen, home, and here you can see your name and license, everything you can see that. Then notification settings, may manage your storage. Here you can see your how much storage we have. Then admin portal. So let's come to the admin portal first. So admin portal, we have published the report, and user organization can go internal help, support, recruitment, power, BI, help menu. So you want that external, means the user can see the get help menu. So maybe disable, enable as per their policy, you can do that. Receive email notification by services outage or incidents. Means suppose I'm working larger organization, and I have crucial information that I want. This should be covered. That if anything happen, so we can easily understand and we can build this report. So then you can use the receive email notification, and if anything happen in the Power BI, then automatically those user get to receive email that yeah, this problem is going on. Then allow user to try Power BI paid features. So suppose I'm since owner of this organization, so I took a decision that all user can use the paid services. So they can select maybe specific group, specific people, three categories we have. According to the self-explanatory it has. So according to category, you can pass the value that select that. Show the custom message before publishing the report. So if you want to publish the report, then you can do that. So workspace setting, information setting, so we'll cover one by one. So these are three I have. Let me move to the main content today. So I'm covering this usually every day. So then create report. If you have a data and you want to upload in the Power BI cloud, so you can do it manually, manipulate it as well and use it. If you browse, so recent apps and workspace that you're using right now, you're able to see list here totally. You can see your favorite dashboard here, list of dashboard, and share with me that the data report that company has been shared with you or other user has been shared with you. So list of those report will be appear here. Next, data hub. You know that when we creating multiple reports, we have multiple data available in the as data set in the Power BI. So using those data, we can build the report as well. So suppose I'm using this Power BI and I wanted to link with the data model, how data hub. So Power BI data set, click here, and see list of data set up area, connect that. Okay, very easy to connect that. Doesn't mean that not possible. It's possible. Report is so data mart. No, I haven't get data mart. Or the data set. And then load it. So these are table it has. So it's successfully loaded here too. So by using Power BI data set, you can pass it here too. No problem. No, I don't have any problem. Since direct query, so this training day 3, it will add it here. So this it is added successfully. So using this, I can do that. Next, data matrix. Obviously, if you have multiple reports and so in 10 report, 15 report, you can easily manage that. When you have 1000 report and plus 2, 3, you have a 10 and 5 workspaces, 10 workspaces, 8, and each workspace have more than 500 report. How should you manage this kind of report? So we need to create the matrix report to track everything, and according to the consumption, we can follow that. Next, app workspace. You know, some organization, they creating their own app. Like suppose I have a 5 report I want to see in particular group, so I can create my own app by clicking here get app and template Power BI data chart, and just I can create the app. So suppose this app have a 7 and 10 reports, 5 report, 2 reports, I can link with it each tab and use it. Get it now template app tools. So this is loading it, and obviously you can see that. See install it, and now your app is going to create and you can consume it. So you must link, obviously you need to link with the report and everything. So you can even the app that you created, you can give the access to the user according to your requirement. So by this, see this, you can edit this app. Here I have a logo, everything you can pass it here. The column that you table we have, it automatically appear here. See this. So you can link multiple report. Okay, so this way we can use that. And granted prospect, same way. You can subscribe user, you can grant access, subscribe the report to user, you can see the subscription here, so you can do the subscription too. Now report sharing prospect. So this is the required for the at least pro license is required to consume this kind of services. So make sure that you have to buy the licenses for it. Next we have guys publishing a report. So to publish report, just click here and click on the publish button, then you can do that. So don't worry about that. So it will great option it has. Even you can download the report to export, chat with the team. You can just link with the copy team and share with anyone if you wanted to share with them. I'll show you just 1 second. Say this. I wanted to share the name in my channel, team general training, and share with them. So it will automatically appear in the same, and close it. So here you can see that automatically. See this teams, then we have a training, and see this. This is the group where you can do conversation and all. So we start conversing and people have access in organization, they can do that, not all. So this way you can do that. This is the app. Next we have licensing Power BI web app. So this is the web app. This is a web app. Okay, so you can use it. Next we have selection panel bookmark. So Power BI has made some changes here. The changes would be you can see the bookmarks panel. You can see you doesn't see together. So what you need to do, you can select all, and you can see here list. Previously, you know, coming like this here till means half one third page covered by the pens, but right now uh, you can say right now they provide the facility to we can navigate as per their business need. Okay, so since license performance and let us remove this one, and data format, bookmark, and everything. So see this is the option that we have. So like suppose you're looking for the data only, so move selection pane, bookmark, and check this one, go to the view and check this one, just select this one, automatically appear here. So it will going to help you in this. Okay, next we have KPIs and tooltip. So how should I create the KPI and tooltip? So KPI and tooltip for this, let me create the one data. Let's remove this one. No, keep it as it is. As it is. So I'm creating a data as this is a dashboard. So let's do the dashboard first, and then we'll create a drop down. So let dashboard is mandatory for this. So let me understand the data. In the tool we have major append data. Finance tool, duplicate replace, financial remover, gender merge, and then we have sheet one. Sorry. Now what I'm going to do here, I wanted to you create the dashboard. For dashboard I'm going to use the data flow. How to use data flow? To come here, go to the edit query, sorry guys. So let me delete everything and start from beginning. Okay, let delete this. So we will connect with the data flow and then we work on the report. So just one second guys. Generate will leave as it is, then use the financial, let's remove this one. It doesn't. Okay, so we are going to link with the data flow. So more option and type data flow, and here I have a legacy. Don't use the legacy, always use the always use the data flow here. So this option is going to remove by the Microsoft shortly. So use the Power BI data flow, connect this one. Then sign in with your organization credential, connect with data flow. Brenda, please mute yourself. Okay. So now here at the workspace, okay, so once you select the data flow option, then workspace will be appear here. Okay, so see this workspace list and all data flow will appear what all data flow I have. Okay, so according to data flow, let's move to the customer data flow. So our customer information, then data flow for training. So it's loading one by one. I think it has the data sheets, then we will put the data feed. So these many options available here. Shipper, finance data flow, finance report, new training data flow work, customer new, Northwind data set. So I link with data flow maximum possible, order details, and we have a sales data. It is a blank. supplier. So here the query. So you can select multiple column as per the tables as per your need. Okay, so I select that. So those table is going to export here. This is the way that data flow is working. And what is the data flow? Data flow is allow you to create the flow data flow in the Power app, Power based services. Let me show you. Might have not aware of that. So data flow is this. This is the data flow, guys. I just created the tables, simple way that we getting data from database. So what happened? Just I link with the data flows and see. This is the option available here. So let's copy this one and load here once again. So let's come here, load image data feed and pass here. Since it's open source, so just click next. And we can create the all column that we needed. So see this, it has the too many lists here. Let's select all. And all table is going to create in your data flow. It's very easy because every time you reach out to go to another data set, so it's easy to create in the Power BI services and use it. And best part is that it will automatically, we can say, refresh it. It doesn't need anything to do, any action. Okay. Create tables. Okay. Since customer already have, so let's delete this customer column. Only you guys focus on the major part is modeling. Guys, please mute yourself. Okay. So see this. This is the data flow. I created this and then save it automatically. It will take a time to obviously apply this because too many data sets we have. It will include data and checking each steps. Say this. So don't be scared that your why is doing this. Going to validate the each schema that you have in the table. Since it's open source, it doesn't impact anything. Yeah, it would work. Not right now. It doesn't need this. See this, all table is up here now. If I wanted to use, I can use it as well. So let's close this one. Changes saved. And I wanted to rename it. So rename it, set it. Okay, so setting, not setting, edit, then edit table here. And save it. So this is the data flow is validating in one steps again and again. not right now. Okay, so I need to change this name of the data flow. So to this property and change this. Okay, so Northwind database. Data flow. You can check it. ODBC data fill not data set. See this all column will appear here. So let's refresh it. What happened? See, if I'm going to read once again, will it work? Let's check it out. One by one, guys, you make practice into it, and definitely you will do that. Data flow is hardly going to code in any session. Okay. So I'm covering because it's part of this. And right now, suppose you have a huge data. If you export it from database, it will take 1 day. But in Power BI Cloud, it will take lesser time because it's working the cache method. And cache it's very helpful and easy way to manipulate your data. Okay. So now, once again I wanted to reach out to the data flow. So more type data flow here, and then we have data flow here. Not server, data flow. More type data flow. See, there are two options: data Power BI data flow legacy. Don't use legacy one. Use data flow only. Power platform. Sorry. Then we have the workspaces, data workspace, and then see this. This all name has been appear too. And see this all columns appear now. So I want to choose order date, order queries, order detail, invoice, and supplier, territory, shippers, reason, whatever column you're looking for, you can select that. Okay. And now after it will link with your requirement based table. Now once it's loaded, why is it going? So just loading this. And see, it will load it successful in the Power BI. Very easy. So data flow is I think we do not have much data here, but at least you can use it if you need. I think I need to refresh it, then it will appear the data. So refresh it. I do create the we can say data that is in it as a two-man data set. Data flow here. Let's do supplier. Since I'm integrating everything together, doesn't need this one. Just delete, simply just click and delete them. And next question will be, how should I manage the we can say data flow, and what all options, where to get the data and all download. So same option that Power BI has, it has also. See this, it come to the new, go to the any workspace that you have, new, then option we have the data flow, select into that, and add new table. If you're creating your own table, select this one, add link table. If you're creating a link from other data flow, then you can use this option, import mode. Obviously you look for import, then do that. If you create attach data model from folder, if you have any Azure folder, Azure data storage, like sometimes people using the Azure data lake store, so then you can use this option, attach this. So since I need to create my own table, select this one, and say this all options appear that Power BI has here. Say this, get it at that option we have. It's same option also available here too in cloud or with cloud too. So you can link with any data source that you're looking for and your problem gets solved. Okay, so this way you can easily do that. See this, what all data type, data flow, legacy, data flow. If you type data flow, it still is appear two things. Excel we have, type Excel. Then we have OD, so OD data feed, ODBC, Brando, product insights, model automation, Autodesk construction. So these are features already available. You just whatever requirement you have, you can follow as per the requirement and you can use it as well. Web APIs, quick ways, open product insights, so many options are available. You can link with these sources and use it. You could give the data flow the way that I told you. So next, refresh this. Yeah, refreshing in progress. Why is it stop? This one to be stopping it. Now, once it's refreshed, then I'll do that. Okay. So now we have KPIs and tooltip. So once I create the table, then I can show. So let's load data from the table that we have. So we have the order table. Oh, it was a blank value too. Order ID, two blank. Everything is blank here, right? Because it not refresh order cloud. Once refresh, then I'll see later. Let's use this one, financial. And I don't want to go once again, just select this one. Source series, source import port, cancel this one, go to the navigation and just change the another one, finance. Change the model as well if you need. So this data is coming now, order table, close and apply. I am going to show you that how to create the tooltip and KPIs are KPI now. So KPIs prospect, right click, add visuals, KPI and other visuals. So KPIs, we need to create a small KPI right now. So KPI, we have a card here, just select the card and I want total order ID. Where is playing? What the table name, the data we have? Customer order. This order table view, not order details. Order table, with order table. Yes, here order table. So I want you to use this one by total sales. Okay. So select this one, total sales. This is my total sales, and I want this should be create a KPIs for it. So let's do it. They come to the format here and just change the layout, this one for putting cartridge 20 and now adjust this. Okay, so instead of sum of cells, I just wanted to see total cells. Total cells, click here, okay? So it will click automatically. Now if you're looking for to change the color now, the style, everything change here that you're looking for, and even you can change the background color too. So this, I'm looking for change the font color. So font color value should be white, and the label should be also white, so that because without this won't be displayed properly. And even bold and underline too. So still I can do that. This is the KPI I created then. So as per KPI, I can modify that. Let's create the dashboard. So one by one I'm going to pass it here. This time we are not going to use the filter, we are going to use filter in bottom and totally different dashboard it is. Next we have, let's use this one, uh, total count of segment. So here come and select this one and select count, distinct count, okay. No, it doesn't come. So what I need to do, I need to create a measure. So new measure, total, total number of segment. Distinct count segment. Now say this number of segments. So we'll remove this code, no problem. So this is the segment. Press OK. Select pass it. Number of segment. So even you can give the space if you're looking for. So click here. Come here. Press number of segment. Number of segment. Then we pass on here. Then in total product I'm looking for. We have the option which is called card add here, and I'm looking for the number of products. So product we need to create the measure for it. So new measure, distinct count will be the number of product. So number of products. And then we have here product of order. Open product. Distinct count. And then we have a product, order product, name, and this distinct difference. So number of count will appear automatically. Then we have the total sales amount. We did it. Then we need looking for the total number of countries. So then create the measure. Number of countries. select here and then pass number of countries and remove this one and add this one, number of countries. Okay. Next we have total units sold, units sold. Okay. So copy and paste. These are the KPI that we have. Okay. I'm choosing a KPI figure. So total unit sales pass automatically here. So remove this one, add and order. So total units sold will be display automatic sum of the total. Just instead of this type total. Sum of the total units sold. Total units sold. And then we have total gross sales. So these are the KPI that we have. So I wanted to, it should have it's a similar space from every between them. So to this, go to the alignment, distribute horizontally, so that each KPI has the same space between them, and bring to front, so that it will always display on top, and save it. Now I want to create the matrix report here. So how should I do that? So right click, add visual, and then use the matrix one. And let's adjust this. Yeah, sometimes we need it. Okay, so we need to populate the information row level, which is country. Then I'm looking for next. Discount band. Then I have the month name. Then we have the others. Product. Column we have. In column I'm looking for the years. Then I'm looking for month. Month in here, and then at last we are able to see total sales and gross sales and total sales. With the sales, yeah, total sales. So these are the we can say option. We will be able to see that here. So now suppose 23, 24 and total. So this is the matrix that I created. I don't want to see these columns. So how should I manage this one? So, but if you need, you can go this way, series. It will apply this way and will display all things here. But I want this should become in the next column instead of saying. So just select this one. Great. Start from default. So if you have a specific, if you like this one, so you can follow this one too. This is the criteria they given to us. Then we have the grid lines. If you're looking for a horizontal, vertical grid line little bit, so you can go to them. And vertical. Then we have the border size. Border you can give if you need. So yeah, row padding, you know that. Then values. Values is good because it's a color is good looking. Column header, yeah, column header I just wanted to see in bold, and color should be red color. Okay, change the white color this one so that this looks can be better. Next, row header. Yeah, row header. This is the row header. Okay, so now row header prospect. I don't want to use this icon, so you can remove and keep it as well if you need. Next we have, I want to give the color, so you can pass the color as well if you need it in those options. This is called step layout, so I don't want to see step layouts. So then we'll change once they stop the stepped layout, it will be work like this. So see, this will create the next column. See this, and that is going to very helpful for you if you need it. So looking for the different column looks much better than that. But yeah, if you wanted to explain one go, select explained. Here all level you can do that. So you can see all level and all category. Now what happens? Sometime customer has a requirement. Okay, so this is the matrix code that I created for you. So you can do practice into it. But let me create the tooltip, and as well as I want we can say row level information. So first move to the tooltip. So I wanted to add here, okay, page information type tooltip. Allow Q&A, no, standard tooltip, okay, and then add show column. So for tooltip, you must, we can say, pass the column here, country, and I cells I'm looking for country and country-wise cells. Country-wise cells I'm looking for, but the visual would be, so I paste here. I'm looking for the charts here. Then select this one, format. Oh, let's pass the value here. So I'm looking for the country, and then looking for the then cells, and use this one. Okay, so adjust little bit. See this. Yeah, you can give the same chart, any chart you can create, the chart that you're looking for, you can create that, don't worry. Select this one, go to the format, and I want to see the total. Them, airline total tax, background color this, and now this is the tooltip. But see, this tooltip I wanted to go to the middle of the screen. So what I need to do, come select this one and invite this and canvas, okay, name, canvas setting, not top, middle, okay, so it's in the middle automatically. And this tab I wanted to pass into this page. If I select anywhere, it will display like this. So how should I do that? Click into it here, then property, tooltip, enable the edge, and then report page, change the tooltip, the table name, sorry, the tab name that we have, you can pass it here, and see this what happened. If you select, it will give the automatic data. See this. So this is the tooltip that we have. Next, I wanted to create the drill down. What the drill down is? Let's add the drill down. For the drill down, we need to create the table here. So table prospect, use the table, and pass the column name that we have. Okay. So I'm looking for the order table prognosis percentage. Then I wanted to use the we can say order country. So let's move the country first. Next we have date, discount brand, unit sold. Okay, sales price. Okay, and many more. That column looking for, you can pass as per required. You can pass many column. Okay, I want, whenever I pass the value, because I want to see the data of particular data I'm looking for, the drill down, sorry, drill through. So drill through prospect, we need to select here. Let's select outside of it, and here drill up, standard drill through. Okay, drill through page, and drill through values, pass the country, another column that you're looking for, date and gross sales. Those column, filter it, it will automatically reach here and automatically give the filter. So month name, then again add all column, you can add the all column that you're looking for, discount brand, then we have the product, unit sold, segment, and see these are filter has been added automatically here. Now I want you to use the this page, you hide this one will hide too, and once you publish the services it doesn't appear now. And see here is option added for drill through page. Now come to the here, and I'm looking for the VTT, so right click here, drill up, drill through, so drill through and drill down. See the drill down in the page, it automatically filtered the respective value that you're looking for. So that is the solution that I have to work on it. Okay, so tool tip and this one. Next we have report designing. So report designing, I have many videos created for you, so you can watch, and latest one that I created for you. So